What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Tom Does Details. Today we have the worst mom-mobile ever. Take a look. As you can see, I have a lot of work cut out for me, so let's get started. First things first is getting all the loose debris and garbage out of the car. Get as much as you can out before you start shop vacuuming. Makes your life a lot easier. Now I'm still using this 1.5 horsepower small shop vac. It takes time, but you know, you could do it. But next video, I will have my brand new rigid shop vac, and the thing is awesome. It makes life so much easier. So I decided to actually spray the mats after, really agitating the fabric cleaner in there with a hose to really soak the mats, get as much dirt as I can out of it before extracting. These mats probably were never cleaned, so I figured this would probably be a better bet. And I think this is the way I'm going to start doing it from now on. Now this dirt is just from those two front mats. So this car had these small compartments on the floor in the back, and wait until you see what I found inside these things. Look at that. There's like 1 inch of water and there's mold all inside. There were also a couple cockroaches that came out of this. Really disgusting and smelled terrible. You better believe I was holding my nose through the entire process of doing this, and wanted to throw the shop vac out. But with a little scrubbing, the steam cleaner, and some all-purpose cleaner, we got it clean. These carpets were really caked with dirt and sand, so after using the fabric cleaner and agitating with a carpet brush, I went over everything with the steam cleaner just to loosen it up. And then not only am I using the extractor, but after that I went over it again with the shop vac to pick up any more loose sand.
There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want.
Same thing with the seats. I'm using the steam cleaner to loosen up any dirt and then extracting. Here I'm spraying the dash with all-purpose cleaner, diluted 10:1, and then I'm using the detail brush to get into any crevices or cracks and just to agitate. I just want to apologize for not wearing a shirt during this part. It was like 100 degrees when I was doing this detail, and I actually got sick afterwards for a couple hours. I think I got heat exhausted. But yeah, definitely want to make sure you stay hydrated. I was trying, but it was too hot. These door jambs were pretty bad, so I used a steam cleaner and the all-purpose cleaner, and then hit it with a hose just to break up any of that dirt. And we are done. Let's check it out. On my next video, I'll be detailing a Chevy Colorado pickup truck that looked like something exploded on the seats. So be sure to check back for that video. Thanks, guys.